Productivity on mine sites has decreased steadily over the past 20 years due to resources becoming more scarce and harder to mine. The best way to tackle the productivity problem is with the coordination of frontline work. Eliminating the time lost through hour-by-hour challenges of coordinating a large number of people, machines and activities in a complex, ever-changing mining environment requires a high level of connection, collaboration and short interval control. Typical spreadsheet and whiteboard frontline management systems make it very hard for teams to get organised each shift, resulting in unnecessary delays and operating waste at the face. In short, they lead to missed targets, poor schedule compliance and unfulfilled commitments. The solution is to empower frontline teams with a plan that they can commit to, using a system that provides the resources and real-time insight they need to deliver on their commitments. CommitWorks helps resource companies create a frontline commitment system that gets everyone on the same page, every week, every day, shift by shift, hour by hour. This unifies the frontline teams, creating a high-performance workforce that delivers more reliable and higher productivity. Our approach has enabled operating management teams to substantially reduce day-to-day variation of results, which significantly improves productivity and profitability.
CommitWorks, software for rapid, sustainable improvements in productivity.